So when it comes to the Microsoft Dynamics 365, it is a ERP function. So as you know, there are a lot of other ERPs also there, like Tally, Oracle, SAP. So these are all competitors to maintain your organization financial information or any other to maintain financial information, and also in an organized way to create a report. Once you post a transaction, it will automatically create the reports as well. I mean, the transaction was included in the reports itself. So that is about the ERP thing. So ERP is nothing but enterprise resource planning. Okay, so here there are two types of resources we can able to select. I mean, two types of resources we can select. One is technical consultant, and one is functional. Okay, so as a functional consultant, your job is, I mean, your roles and responsibilities are, when a company wants to post their information in a digital way, as a functional consultant, you are able to explain the what are the features we have in this ERP. So these features, once you have implemented in your day to day information, day to day business, then it will be easily happen, it will easily happen, and your time will be less consumed. So this is the thing about the functional consultant job. Okay, so here let's go to let's say you are a functional consultant. So you are trying to explain the functionality of Microsoft D365 F&O functionality to the particular business. So let's say that business is retail business. Okay, so let's say Reliance, right? So Reliance is one organization. This Reliance wants to implement our D365 F&O. So they are recruited functional consultant to implement it. They are getting the project. Maybe the project is Reliance related. So you need to understand what is their business process. So Reliance has an organization. In this Reliance, there are different types of businesses are there, right? So let's say one is trends. Okay, so that is one legal entity, and one is oil, oil related, right? So petroleum, and one is um retail business. So there are different types of legal entities, but these are all business which comes under one organization, that is called Reliance, right? So as a functional consultant, they are ready to implement the function D365 FNO in their organization. So you need to understand their existing process, what is their business process. So for that, there are different modules. Microsoft is providing different modules in different ways. Like if you go to finance modules, there are general ledger, accounts payable, and one is accounts receivable, and one is fixed assets, cash and bank management. So this is about the finance modules. Okay, so that means once you post the transaction or any information that is totally relating to monetary information, financial information only. Let's say you have purchased a one laptop. Okay, so the transaction is posted like posting relating to the value of that laptop. Laptop is a 1 lakh. That related information, that value information, you need to use these modules. But that laptop is a quantity, right? So that is called supply chain management. So supply chain management, there are different modules will cover. One is procurement and sourcing, and one is sales and marketing, and inventory management, and one is master planning, one is warehouse management. So this is about supply chain management. Okay, so these are the modules are different functionality, like for this there are different types of certifications will provide by the Microsoft. So for MB310, for finance certification. For supply chain there are two other mod called MB330 and MB335. So this is for supply chain management. Okay, so only one. So as a functional consultant, you need to understand finance modules or supply chain modules as per your educational background or your one thing. So the job, I mean, in the market, the job opportunities are same for both. Okay, so this is about the certifications required, and these are the modules will covered under Microsoft. As a functional consultant, your role is to understand their business process, right? So once you understand the business process, there are different types of documents you need to create. Let's say, once, okay, so project is finalized, you are going to, if in case you have any doubts today, please you can ask in the between itself. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Yeah. So business is finalized, project is finalized, then you are going to the client place or client meeting. You need to understand their business. So please explain their business. Let's say how they are maintaining their general ledgers, how they are maintaining their chart of accounts, how they are maintaining their is there any departments or dimensions are there. So these are the different functionalities are there, so you need to ask them. So these are the questions you need to ask them. Okay, once they are provided their information, all these things, you need to create one document that is called FRD. It means functional requirement document. So this document, as a functional consultant, you need to prepare. So this is about the implementation process. Okay, so in this FRD you have to explain what is the as is process. So as is process means what is their current process, how they are maintaining their accounts or any departments, all these things you can ask them or anything. So once they are explained, you need to mention in your document this is their existing process, nothing but the existing process, how they are maintaining. So then as a functional consultant you have to suggest what is the to be process means. uh, in D365 FNO, what is the functionality is available. If we implement this D365 FNO, then how it will be useful to their client. So like, let's say in Reliance, they can maintain different types of Excel sheets, right? So you can maintain for expenses in one sheet or incomes in one sheet. All these things they can maintain in one place. Okay, let's say I will tell you one example. Uh, Rent expense, maybe they are in they have one building, they are maintaining rent. Okay, so in as is process, I mean in their existing process, every month once they say, pay the rent to the vendor, they can post the transaction every month manually or in your system itself manually. But in D365 we have a feature called recurring journals. Okay, that means at same date same amount you are giving paying the same rent to the vendor, same person. If it is all these things are same, once you have created, I mean once you have configured in your in D365, it will be automatically posted on every month on the same date. So you are not able to, you cannot able to come and every month and post the transaction, it will post automatically. So this type of functionality you need to explain them. So what is their existing process, how they are doing that. If in case if they are implemented D365 and how it will be, so you need to know. So what are the functionalities and what are the features are available in D365, you need to get it. So all the functionalities and features will comes under these modules. So the like this you have to create the functional requirement document. Okay, then You have created the functional requirement document, all the information. You have very good idea on the how it will be fit in our D365, all their requirement. Okay, if in case their requirement is not able to process in your ERP in D365, their information is we cannot able to standard functionality, we cannot able to do that. At that time, as a functional consultant, you need to provide the solution. See, this functionality is not available in D365, but we can customize the functionality by with the help of technical consultant. Then technical consultant job will come. So as a functional consultant, you need to verify the their functionality. If it is not able to fit in your D365, you need to analyze called gap fit analysis. Okay, let's say I will show you one document to you as well. One second. So this is my client gap fit analysis. You can see here they given the business process, how to perform the general accounting and reporting, high level. Okay, so here we provided the solution. Actually, this is not the thing. I will show you that. One second. Where is that? Where is that? One second. One second. I will check it. You can see here. You can see here the perform revenue accounting. Okay, so we mentioned here by using the D365 AR, I mean accounts receivable module, we can able to do this with the by using the standard functionality. Okay, in scope. Okay, if in case if it is not able to do with expense, I mean with the standard functionality, we have mentioned like gap fit, gap. Okay, I will show you that thing as well. You can see here, so this integration only we can do this. So these are the this way we, yeah, Suresh, can you did you able to hear my voice?
Yeah, yeah, it's very clear, Vijay. I'm able to.
Yeah, okay. So this way we need to understand their uh, gap fit analysis. Once client is okay, you can do the customization. Then you have to prepare the functional design document. Okay. So where you have to you need to provide the solution, and that solution needs to be developed by the technical consultant. You need to coordinate with the technical consultants. Yeah, this is what we have in D365. I want like this. So you need to do some customizations, you need to do this type of development you need to do. So this is about the functional design document. All the information you need to mention it, and you can share it with the technical consultant. Then technical consultant will develop that functionality. Once that consultant was developed that functionality, you need to test it in your D365. Is the same solution is developed or not? If in case any changes, you need to again go with the technical consultant, then he will do that development. Okay, so this is about the functional design document. So then you need to conduct some user training with the user. I mean, user is nothing but client. User training with the user. So this is the development was developed. I mean, this is the customization is developed. So this way you need to do, this way you need to post the transactions, you need to post the purchase payable, accounts payable, all the information. So like that you need to explain the uh, D365 workspace to the user. Okay, so this is about the functional consultant job. I mean, these are the roles and responsibilities of the functional consultant. Okay, so till here, you have any clarifications required, Suresh?
No, no, Vijay. I am okay with that.
Okay. So now I am going to show you the that what it is called technical this thing. I will show you that. So this is about the D365 workspace. One second, it is loading. Okay, so this is about the workspace. If you click on these modules, you can see all the modules which is presented by the D365 window. You can see this accounts payable, accounts receivable. This agent is a new feature. I mean, nowadays all the information is going to ChatGPT and AI is happening, right? So as a consultant, you need to understand the agent level, how the agent activities will be happen. So you have to, you will get some idea on that. I will explain in the next class itself. Asset management, budgeting, cash and bank, consolidations, cost accountings, credit and collections, expense management, fixed assets, general ledger. So these are the modules was supported by the D365 F&O Microsoft. If you go to the legal entities, let's say Reliance, I said the Reliance is the organization. So you can create number of legal entities. Once you create the legal entities, you can see here in the left side, right side up corner, you can see all the legal entities what you have created. So this is the trial environment. I mean, no need to create a new legal entity. All the setups and configurations, everything was already provided by the Microsoft. To practice, you can just select. You need to get this. D365 environment, select this USMF legal entity that is for US related. If you want to do practice for India legal entity, there are also India legal entities called INMF. Okay, so Contoso System India. So all the legal entities are available here. You need to do automatically create a new vendors, all these things. So all the information, all the modules in the future itself you will get the idea. So this is about the workspace. You have any clarifications for this workspace?
Yeah, yeah, yes, Vijay. In the workspace, can we get if any cost is there, or we can get like a training model like that we will get from Microsoft.
I mean, you're asking about this environment.
Yeah, yeah. While need for practice purpose, so can we get this or how it will be?
Yeah, for training purpose, you will get it. So this is 30 days validity, free trial environment. After 30 days, we will create a new trial environment. We will provide it. Yeah.
Okay, okay. We can
So
create this. We can create this. That is without any cost. In the
without any, yeah,
Microsoft site, it will be available.
yeah, no, in the Microsoft site, it is not available. We will provide you. So we will
Okay.
create a new environment. So Microsoft will
Okay.
not provide. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So,
Okay. Understood. Mm.
we will provide it by using my our credentials. We will create with the minimal cost, and we will provide it to you. Okay. So we'll,
Understood. Okay.
yeah.
Mhm.
So this is about simple thing on Microsoft thing. So and also nowadays everything is agent activities, right? Everything is in AI related. So what is happening here? Everything. Let's say you have created a purchase order. I will show you that. One second. Let's say you have created a purchase order. Okay, PO. 100 laptops you are purchasing from vendor. Okay, let's say from Lenovo. So Lenovo is a vendor. Okay, you raised a PO, so you are asking Lenovo, please provide the 1000 laptops to me. Okay, but Lenovo given the reply like, we will not provide the 1000 laptops, we will provide the 900 laptops only. Like that you will get the reply from the Lenovo, or they are not yet confirmed it. So this type of info will be happened, user will be manually doing as of now. But as of now, agents chat AI is creating automatically all the information. Let's say Lenovo given reply like 900 laptops only they are providing. So manually you are going to again those purchase order in D365, and automatically you need to change it manually. So you need to change 1000 to 900, all the information, all this type of activities, this type of information happening manually. But nowadays once you agent was configured in D365, automatically that purchase order will be changed 1000 to 900. As a user, you need to go to that PO and just check it and update it. Okay, so this type of changes are happening. Users, I mean, client is also asking this type of agent activities. Okay, so I will explain. In D365 FNO, there are five types of agents automatically are there. Once you have got an idea, in the training of the last, I will explain the agents itself, like expense agent, uh, and accounts reconciliation agent, and supplier communication agent. So all these type of agents needs to be configured, and then you need to understand. So this nowadays, not only practicing this D365